How you doing? It's Aaron. This video I want to show you how to replace the door handle, exterior door handle on a 2004 to 2015 Nissan Titan. The company I work for has about 4 of these Titans in a fleet, and here in the desert Southwest, the sun isn't too kind to the plastic that these handles are made out of. Seems about after 10 years, they'll kind of break or snap off, and a replacement is due. You can buy a replacement through O'Reilly's for about 20 to 30 bucks. They're a little bit steep, but you can't get them. You don't have to go through Nissan to get them. You can go to O'Reilly's or Napa or maybe even CarQuest. So let's go over the tools you'll need to restart this replacement. Luckily, Nissan, the engineers at Nissan were nice and made the door handle replacement very simple. You only need 2 tools: a plastic grommet or plastic trim knife, and a T25 Torx bit with a socket on it, or if you have a Torx driver you can use one of those, but T25 and a plastic knife. The door, you're going to find a plastic cover right here. It's for the T25 bolt. Go ahead and remove it with your plastic knife. Removes pretty easy. Use a screwdriver, put a piece of tape over it so you don't scratch your paint, and there's your bolt. What's nice is that you don't, there's a little, you can see that there's a little tab that holds the bolt in place, so you don't have to remove it completely out and drop it in the door. It'll stay in place in its little holder for you. Go ahead and remove or loosen up that bolt. Once you have loosened the bolt, go ahead and remove this cover. It just pops off. Use your plastic putty knife and you can remove it. Once that cover's removed, you can go ahead and remove this little cover piece too. Pop metal. Now what you want to do is grab the handle, slide it towards the rear of the vehicle, and pull off. There's your handle right there. Now with your replacement, you go ahead and put it on. Kind of got to slide it in and then push back, and that's it. Hope this video helps. You don't need to remove the inside door panel. Do you see I didn't? Thank you, Nissan, for that. Please like and subscribe.